Yeah, yeah. What's up, little one?
Hi.
Y'all know what it is. Beautiful day, sun out, shining. Get in the woods. Yep. So, what I want y'all to do too, also go follow my TikTok. Keith One Bird out there. I mean my YouTube. All of that. It's nice out. See your tracks already.
Ooh, hello.
Clumsy. Nice. You know, it's always nice to be outside in nature, seeing God's creations. That's coyote right there.
Yeah.
Going up through that way. Coyote or either fox. We just love this kind of stuff. The leg can't keep up. Some big deer tracks. Big ones. Right here too. Hiking is part of our thing. Fishing, camping, really anything outside. Doing something in the woods is our thing. All year round we outside. So we get with y'all. Remember, go check that YouTube out. We will get back with you.